Hey guys, so today, as you can probably tell, I am going to be doing a Valentine's set. This video is going to be pretty short. I've just been super busy with the beginning of school and everything, but I still wanted to put a video out for you guys. I'm trying to post one every Thursday, or at least every week, if not Thursday. But usually it will be Thursday. But anyways, let's just get started with this set. So first I'm applying the Beetles base coat. And I'm going to be using the Beetles nail lamp. After curing the base coat, I'm going to apply this Born Pretty gel polish. It's kind of a jelly polish. It's super light pink. If you only do one coat, you almost can't really tell that it's pink. It kind of looks like a foggy white type of color, and I really like it. And I'm actually going to be skipping my index finger because that one is going to be a different color. So for that nail, I'm going to be using this Jelly Born Pretty polish. They actually came in the same kit as the other one I just used, and this one is red. The other ones I only did one coat, but for this one I'm doing two. And before doing my nail art, I sometimes like to actually add a top coat and then do my nail art and then add another top coat. That's totally optional, but I just kind of like being able to paint my nail art on a smoother surface. So now let's get into the Valentine's Day nail art. I feel like this nail art is super great for beginners, and I'm actually kind of a beginner. I only started doing nails in July. So I am a beginner, and I feel like this type of nail art is really good for beginners. Hearts are pretty easy to do. But yeah, I'm just gonna walk you through what I did for each nail. For all my nail art today, I'm going to be using this red gel liner by Beetles. And for my thumb, I'm just going to be doing an XOXO. Now I'm just top coating it, making sure to get the tip of the nail as well. The index nail is going to stay solid, so we're skipping over to the middle nail. So for this one, I'm just going to be doing a French tip, and then at the bottom of the nail, I'm going to be doing a little heart. I originally tried to do the heart just with the gel liner brush, and it was okay, but it's a lot easier to use a dotting tool. So I'm just putting some of the paint on my paint palette and then getting a dotting tool, and you basically just do two dots next to each other, and then you kind of just like form them into a heart, if that makes sense. For my ring fingernail, I'm just going to be doing a bunch of hearts all around the nail with my dotting tool. My pinky is going to be the same as my middle nail, so just a French tip and then one heart at the bottom. And that's basically it for this tutorial. I'm using my Beetles top coat, curing it, and then that is it. I hope you liked this tutorial. I love these nails so much. Hope you have a great Valentine's Day, and make sure to subscribe and like this video to see more videos like this. I am going to be posting another Valentine's nail tutorial. It's going to be a pink set next time, so stay tuned for that. Bye guys!